Welcome to this complete Bari, Italy travel guide. In the heart of the Adriatic coast lies Bari, a city where history vibrates in its sun-drenched streets. A cultural heritage hub, Bari harmoniously blends old and new. This guide unveils 12 essentials of the city, from the majestic Basilica di San Nicola to the lively Piazza Mercantile. We'll navigate Bari Vecchia's narrow lanes, its old town soul, and guide you to top-notch shopping, dining, and relaxation spots. Catering to history enthusiasts, food lovers, or unique trip seekers, this guide is for you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the heart of Bari. Our journey begins at the iconic Basilica di San Nicola. This magnificent 1,000-year-old structure is steeped in rich history and spiritual significance. Beloved by both Catholic and Orthodox followers, it stands as a testament to Bari's vibrant past. Its walls filled with years of prayer and devotion, countless stories of faith and pilgrimage. The basilica's timeless aura resonates a deep connection with the divine. Its grandeur inspires a sense of awe and respect, making it an incredible starting point for our exploration of Bari. This spiritual journey sets the tone for our Italian adventure, a spiritual journey that sets the tone for our Italian adventure. From the sacred to the picturesque, next we stroll through the Vecchia and wander around the Lungomare. The Bari Vecchia, or Old Town, is a labyrinth of quaint cobblestone paths. Traditional bakeries and ancient church bells add to its charm. It's a timeless symbol of Bari's vivacious spirit. Now we explore Lungomare, the captivating seafront promenade. As the sea breeze blows, you'll be mesmerized by the stunning Adriatic views and the sunset's vibrant colors. A step back in time and a breath of fresh sea air. Next we explore the imposing Castello Normanno Svevo and the serene Cattedrale di San Sabino. The castle, a 12th century fortress, symbolizes power and resilience. A short walk away is the Cattedrale di San Sabino. Romanesque in style, this cathedral is a haven of peace in Bari's hustle. It houses relics of St. Sabinus in its crypt. The two landmarks, each with their distinct charm, represent the city's varied past. The castle's might and the cathedral's tranquility give us a snapshot into Bari's history, truly a testament to Bari's rich and diverse history. Now we walk through the vibrant Piazza del Ferrarese and Piazza Mercantile. These squares form Bari's core, a fusion of sights, sounds, and alluring smells. Architectural marvels bathed in sunlight offer a scenic backdrop. Cafes and bistros line the squares, welcoming you to enjoy an espresso. Unique shops entice with their intriguing items. It's the heartbeat of Bari, pulsating with life and laughter. Of course, no trip to Bari would be complete without enjoying the local cuisine. The quaint streets of Bari Vecchia are lined with food stalls serving a variety of dishes. The aroma of freshly baked focaccia barese is irresistible. The street food scene, vibrant and diverse, offers delicacies like the crispy panzerotti and succulent seafood dishes. The star, however, is the orecchiette pasta, handmade on these very streets, served with a hearty tomato sauce. A gastronomic delight that will leave your taste buds dancing. Post-feasting, we visit the Grand Teatro Petruzzelli, the largest theatre in Bari. Built in the 1800s, it housed esteemed artists until a 1991 fire. Reopened in 2009, it's a cultural beacon. We then explore Via Sperano, Bari's shopping hub. From luxe boutiques to unique local stores, it offers Italian fashion, trinkets, and local culinary delights. The Teatro Petruzzelli and Via Sperano, a perfect blend of culture and leisure, truly encapsulate the spirit of Bari, a perfect blend of culture and leisure. Next, we explore the treasures of the Museo Civico and the Pinacoteca Provinciale di Bari. Both, nestled in Bari's heart, are cultural landmarks. The City Museum is a rich repository of artifacts, chronicling Bari's past. The Provincial Art Gallery is an art lover's paradise, exhibiting works from the Middle Ages to the present. Esteemed Italian artists, such as Tintoretto, share space with contemporary ones, creating a fusion of styles. It's more than sightseeing, it's a timeline journey and an exploration of expression, a feast for the eyes and the soul. Finally, we unwind at the beautiful Pomodoro beach. Nestled in Bari's heart, this beach is a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the city's lively rhythm. Its golden sands and azure waters are a haven for relaxation. The clean, warm waters are perfect for a refreshing dip, while the soft sand provides a natural foot massage. The salty sea breeze whispers tales of the Adriatic, and the rhythmic sound of waves creates a soothing symphony. This is where the world slows. You can breathe fresh air, appreciating Bari's beauty. The perfect end to a perfect day in Bari. Our journey through the charming city of Bari isn't quite finished yet. We now find ourselves at the Bari National Archaeological Museum, a rich repository of history and culture with exhibits ranging from prehistoric to Greek and Roman eras. Each artifact is a narrative that reveals insights about past societies and their beliefs. These relics remind us of our shared human history, a thread binding us regardless of time-space. The museum offers a unique glimpse into the past for all, whether you're a history enthusiast or a curious traveler. We leave you with a question. Are you ready to embark on this journey through time? Finally, we find ourselves strolling leisurely around vibrant Bari Harbour. The bustling waterfront presents a perfect canvas of Bari's life. The chattering fish market, the lively cafes, and the tantalizing aroma of fresh seafood. As we wander, breathtaking views of the sea against the harbour and the cityscape frame a picturesque backdrop. The harbour where the city meets the sea serves as a crossroads of culture and commerce. We pause, reflecting on the historical sites, rich culture, cuisine, and the warm people of Bari. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue, we bid farewell to this enchanting city. We leave not as visitors, but as friends, carrying with us memories of a city that has truly captured our hearts. As the daylight fades away and the city lights glimmer, we are magnetically drawn towards Bari's nightlife epicenter, Piazza Garibaldi. This vibrant square is the heart of Bari's nightlife, a hub of locals and tourists alike. The soothing rhythm of Italian live music fills the air, merging tradition and modernity. Open-air cafes, street performers, and the alluring aroma of pizza contribute to the lively atmosphere. Historical buildings frame the square, illuminated in a warm, golden light. So when the night descends on Bari, make it a point to visit Piazza Garibaldi. It's the quintessential location to bid arrivederci to this magical city. Leaving the city's historic heart behind, we venture out to the Bari Zoo Safari. In this natural expanse, diverse wildlife roam in their spacious habitats. From lions to monkeys, the variety is impressive. The zoo offers interactive experiences such as feeding giraffes. The joy on children's faces is a sight to behold. With rides, games, and exhibits, the children's area promotes fun learning. The Bari Zoo Safari isn't just about seeing animals, but creating memories and learning about conservation. So come join us on this wild adventure. It's a day filled with joy, excitement, and unforgettable memories. Finally, we take a leisurely stroll through the beautiful Parco to Giugno. In the heart of the city, this peaceful haven is lush with greenery, towering trees, and vibrant flowers. It's a perfect retreat from city life. Under a tree, we lay our picnic blanket, the children's laughter echoing through the park. Simple joys like a picnic become beautiful moments. As the day ends, we find a spot offering a stunning view of the sunset. The sky turns orange-pink, the sight almost surreal. After a remarkable journey through Bari, as we leave Parco to Giugno, we carry with us a piece of Bari's soul.